Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to Elementary Explorers. Today, we're going to have so much fun learning colors with a rainbow sensory bin. Did you know that sensory play helps kids like you explore the world through touch, sight, and even sound? It also helps us learn colors while having fun. Let's dive in and see what's inside our bin. To make your own rainbow sensory bin at home, you just need a few things. For the base, you can use colored rice, dry beans, or even pasta. Then, add colorful objects like pom-poms, beads, blocks, or buttons. Look at all these colors. Touching different materials helps build fine motor skills and sparks creativity. You can use whatever you have at home to make your bin unique. Let's find some colors. What color is this? It's red. Can you say red with me? Red. And what about this? It's blue. Can you say blue? Blue. Look. We have a light blue and a dark blue. Colors come in different shades. Let's try sorting. We'll put all the yellow things together. Now all the green things. You can even make fun patterns or build tiny towers. Sensory play helps with problem solving and lets our imagination run wild. Wow! We had so much fun learning colors with our rainbow sensory bin. Which color was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this colorful adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a fun learning video. And share this with your friends so they can play along too. Thanks for exploring with me. See you next time on Elementary Explorers. Bye-bye.